Hey guitar enthusiasts, welcome back to the next video in this hand dexterity series. What would be a hand dexterity series without a Led Zeppelin lick? Let me show you what we're going to be playing here from Dazed and Confused, and then I'll get into how to play it. Once again, here we have a really cool fun lick that uses all 4 fingers over 4 frets. The interesting part about this is we actually get to move our hand around a little bit. So we're kind of doing the intro part here to Dazed and Confused before it gets all crazy. So let's go in for a close-up on my guitar so I can show you exactly what we're doing. Just like in our spider exercise, each finger is going to own its own fret. So the first finger is going to own the 12th, second finger owns the 13th, third finger owns the 14th, and the pinky owns the 15th. Now a little disclaimer here for people with acoustic guitars that don't have cutaways like mine. If you're on an electric, you should be fine. Getting this 15th fret might be a little bit tricky for you. If you can't get it, don't worry about it. You can always skip ahead to the next video in the section or just do the best you can with this lick. This entire lick is going to be played on the top E string. We're going to start with an open E. Pinky owns the 5th. Third finger gets the 14th, second finger gets the 13th, first finger gets the 12th. So those first 2 picks are very fast. And then you just work down the fingers. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to move our whole hand. So we're going to be on the 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th frets. Remember, each finger gets its own fret. And we're going to do the same thing. First 2 picks are fast, open, and then 10, and then 9, 8, 7 again. So it's open 10, 9, 8, 7. And when you're done, you would just come back up to the 15th fret and play it all over again. Oh, and then down to the 10th fret. Let's move on to the next lick in our series where we're mostly going to be using our first and third fingers over the span of 2 strings. So click on over to that next video.